Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have an Amazon unboxing. This unboxing is a little bit different from my previous unboxings because this is for Galentine's Day. That's right, not Valentine's Day, but Galentine's Day. And this was a very, very brilliant collective that was brought together by none other than @DDBean. And I will absolutely tag DDBean on the screen as well as the description as well. So y'all, this is a surprise unboxing because I don't know what's in it. I don't know who it's from, but let's find out together. I have some goodies in here. And y'all, if this is your first time watching my channel or my videos, as you continue to watch and check out my other content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. So y'all, I have some goodness in here. Oh my goodness. How exciting. Let me make sure I have everything out of the box. I do. And let's unwrap it, y'all, and see what I got. Okay, so starting with the bigger item first. This is a candle warmer lamp, wax melter, and bulb set. Let's open it up and take a look at it. And this is my first time participating in the Galentines. I believe this is the second year for it, if I recall correctly. So let's see, y'all. I do not want to drop this. Oh. How pretty is this? Let's see if it's anything in the box to tell me who it's from. I don't see anything. But this is so pretty. This was an item on my wish list, but it looks so much prettier in person. So this is an alternative way of enjoying a candle without a flame by just placing the candle on here, plugging this up, and the heat from the lamp will actually melt the wax. This is so pretty, y'all. Look at this. Love it, y'all. This is going absolutely on my desk. And it has a very pretty wooden base to it as well. A wide section here for almost any size candle. Very, very nice. Let's see what is next. That is so pretty. I have some yummy chocolates as well, assorted, so I will absolutely enjoy eating these. I believe it's 3 flavors in here. Does it say what flavors? Oh, these are the 3. I am not even going to try to pronounce those. So I have a candle warmer, wax melter, and chocolates. And then this third item here Let me get my box cutter. And this does say Wooden Wicks Chesapeake Bay candle. And I got a candle to put on my wax melter candle warmer. Lovely. Ooh. Loving the color. That's letting me know it's going to smell good. And I love me some Wooden Wicks too. I can already smell it, y'all. Ooh. It smells good, y'all. So this is Chesapeake Bay Mind and Body Nourish and Renew Coconut and Sandalwood Soy Wax Blend Candle. And it has essential oils as well. So this is going to absolutely go on here. Isn't that pretty, y'all? That's a very, very good gift. I do not see on the inside who it was from. So let me pause the video, do some research, and I will be right back to let y'all know. Okay, y'all, upon further research, this Galentine's was gifted to me by @DDBookie, and I will place that on the screen. Her name is Deandra, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Deandra, and her page is Fashion Without Limitations, but her is @DDBookie. So thank you so much, Deandra, @DDBookie, for these beautiful gifts for Valentine's Day. I really do appreciate these, and I am going to enjoy them. You picked some very great items from my wish list, so thank you, thank you, thank you. You all feel free to comment below. Let me know if you have tried these chocolates, if you have tried Chesapeake Bay candles, and also if you have an actual candle warmer or wax melter as well that you enjoy on a regular basis, or ooh, it smells so good, or on special occasions, or just me time, or whenever. I would like to know. This is my first one like this, and this is so pretty. So I'm looking forward to enjoying it. And I am looking forward to trying out these chocolates as well, because I love chocolate. So y'all, this was a very quick and different video. Happy Valentine's Day, and I like saying Happy Love Day to everyone. I believe every day should be Love Day, but at least we have a day to acknowledge it once a year at least, to show love to yourself or to your loved ones, and just enjoy the day. So thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. And as always, have a very wonderful day. And in this case, have a very happy Galentine's Day as well as Valentine's Day. Yummy, yummy. I guess I'll show y'all what the inside looks like. So this is the inside of that one. It's very good. It's like white chocolate. And it has coconut on the outside. So let's look at these other two, y'all. We might as well eat some candy together. I'm taking all the calories for y'all. They do make you work to get inside of them, though. This is the inside of that one. I probably should have showed y'all before I bit into it, huh? But this is really good. It has like, maybe like almonds and chocolate and like kind of like a crispy chocolate around the outside as well. And then the third one, I hope I'm not chewing too loud, y'all. The third one I think is the original one. Yes. This one is probably the most popular one. Similar to the last one, but the chocolate is not as creamy as the last one. So all very good, you all. I hope you enjoyed the chocolates as well. And I will try to save these for later. See you all in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Love Day.